Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Courtney, and today we're going to talk to you about cats.
According to scientists, cats have been around for...
Cats would protect their food storages, and in doing this, they were treated with lots of respect and were treated like royalty. Some were even treated like gods or goddesses.
Penalty for killing cats very seriously. They would then take the bodies of the cats and mummify them and bury them like they did with the pharaohs. Generations later, they took these felines to Italy, where they later spread throughout Europe.
Spreading across the world from Egypt was the short-haired domestic cat. Later came the long-haired domestic cat from Turkey and Iran. Domestic cats started to spread from India to China and even Japan.
Step 1. Find your cat. Obviously, Scoop's right here right now, but usually it's going to take a little bit more effort to find your cat. Step 2. Take your waterless shampoo and spray it all over your cat's back and tail. Scoop doesn't obviously like it, but getting treats, luring them and holding them down will be the essence you need to finish this job.
Step 3. Brush the cat where you had sprayed him. Like this.
Hi. Next we're going to be doing the mud method. You're going to need to gather
you can
the
always
following
repeat.
materials. A cup for rinsing and some water, preferably warm. A bathtub or sink. We're going to do a bathtub because our cat is very mean and vicious. Some hypoallergenic soap. We prefer this. You don't have to use that though, there's other shampoos. And a brush for later, and some towels.
Step 2. Find and catch your cat. Then put it in the bathtub or sink, depending on the size of your cat.
Just put him in the water. It's okay, it's okay. Dude, it's okay, it's okay. It's just water, it's just water, it's just water, it's just water. Calm down. Okay, hurry up.
It's recorded.
Next, okay, our cat obviously doesn't like the water, so we're going to be doing this step pretty fast. Next, you want to take the cup with lukewarm water, and yes, you're going to obviously be getting wet. You want to take the cup and rinse your whole entire cat everywhere you go. Next, you're going to take the shampoo and pour a little on his back and just rub it in until you get the nice bubbles. Yes, I know this looks mean, but it's all good. You want to scrub it in all over, and you want to get a little on his head. And fully massage it in with your fingers. Okay, it's okay. He's not going to like me for this. Sorry about that. Next, we're going to take the water and fully rinse him off as fast as possible until your cat runs away in the bathtub. Okay. No. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay, sweetie. No, it's fine. And see how the cat's finally starting to relax? That's a good sign. Some cats don't fully can handle this, but somehow my cat's tolerating it. And then he jumps out of the tub. And next we're going to show you how to dry back. Finally. Next we're going to show you how to dry the cat. Obviously we captured him and we wrapped him in towels. He's a little pissy, so you just want to take the towels, like the peanut butter, and you just want to fully dry them off, and so the cat can do the rest of the licking.
No, we need it. Now you gotta restart. No. Just restart.
This is Viper. He is 6 months old and has been here since August. He is the last of his litter and is still waiting to be adopted into a good home.
He's also playful, energetic, and is very independent. Yet he's a little kid, so he's not going to be all that snuggly.
Becker, come here.
I don't know anything about this toy. If I can get him off here, then let me try to get him off.
This video was brought to you by Haas. Thank you, Haas, for letting us